So I'm here, I'm in the room, as you can see. This is my home for certainly the next 3, 4, 5 hours maybe. It's now 10 past 10. I think the stem cells are due up around 11 a.m. They'll be brought up frozen. There's a stem cell warming bath in the room, just around the corner. They'll be defrosted and warmed up to, I guess, room temperature. I'll have a catheter in my arm, and they'll go in. I think they said it's 4 bags worth, which reminds me of a well-known comedy sketch, but in reverse. Yeah, so I think nothing much to report at the moment. I went out, got the staff some sweet treats, as always, nurse bribes I call them, and I'm just going to sit here and chill out and just let them do what they need to do. I've had my observations. There's nothing else now until the catheter's fitted and the stem cells are reintroduced. I checked, and I think that it's day 4 or 5 after is when you start to hit rock bottom with these things. So hopefully I've got a good few days in me yet where I can just be okay before really crashing, and my neutrophils will plummet to pretty much 0, I think they said. I've had 0.01 before, so kind of know what to expect with that. My white blood cells will tank as well, which they've started to do. I can see I've got kind of pandery eyes, which is always a sign that my white blood cells are on the way down, as well as my platelets. I haven't seen yesterday's blood results yet, but I wouldn't be surprised if they're well below where they need to be. So hey ho, it's all part of the process. Onwards. So that's the stem cell transplant complete. It's now 20 past 4 in the afternoon. I think I left the ward around about 2:15 to 2:30. The whole process was relatively straightforward. My veins are thankfully pretty good, so the infusion of the cells went relatively quickly. I had 4 bags, 4.5 million cells was what they harvested from me about 4 weeks ago. And yeah, it all went pretty well. I'm tired. I've already had a snooze. The minute I lay on the bed when I got back, I just went out, only for about an hour or so, but I am wiped out completely at the moment. That's a combination of the 6 days of chemo, the stem cells, and the sort of complementary drugs that I've got to counter the chemo, many of which make you sort of drowsy. Plus, I was given antihistamines before the transplant because of the fluid that the cells are kept in could cause an allergic reaction. So they give me a hefty dose of Periton, something, antihistamines beforehand to make sure that any reaction is reduced, which obviously makes you drowsy as well. So now it's a waiting game now. It's just any time between now and 4 days, 5 days, if I'm lucky, before I get admitted properly out of this sort of luxury room that I'm in actually onto ambulatory care or ICU. It just depends how my body reacts, really. I'm feeling pretty good. I want to get through to Saturday. Helen's visiting on Saturday. It's our 8th wedding anniversary, so that would be nice to get through that. I'm feeling confident that we will. It's I've only got 2 days. I'm feeling, say, apart from being tired, I'm feeling pretty good. So just get through that, and then I'll get on the ward, get into ambulatory care or ICU, and just wait that out. That could be 2 weeks of just being looked after, and then home, and then it's all done, right? It's 3 months of isolation, 6 months of being tired, but I can handle that. I just want to get back to sort of normality, which I think I can do around about February, March time. I want to go back to work as quick as possible. I'm hoping to go back to work before Christmas. I'm sort of aiming for December time. Once I'm home, I miss the structure. I miss the day-to-day challenges of just working and not getting bored. So onwards and upwards. So I guess the next few days, it's just waiting to get ill again, which is a weird feeling, but it is what it is. There you go.